Magandang gabi po at narito na ang resulta nating 9 p.m. Pisas o Lottery Results today. Ngayong araw ng Wednesday, May 13, 2026. At para po sa draw natin ngayon ay ang 3D Lotto, ang 2D Lotto, ang 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 at Grand Lotto 655. Para po sa ating 4D Lotto, 0, 9, 9, and 4 in exact order. And for Mega Lotto 645, May 13, 2026, sa winning combination na 31, 33, 45, 29, 16, and 23 for the jackpot prize of 15 million pesos in any order. At para po sa update ng Lotto winners, ipinopost ko po siya under our comment section. And for Grand Lotto 655, sa winning combination na 39, 29, 45, 2, 38, and 43 for the jackpot prize of 99,516,506 pesos and 24 centavo in any order. And for 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw 0, 3, and 8 in exact order. And for 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw 4 and 2 in exact order. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.